Hello and welcome to MusicWords. MusicWords is where we learn one new word in music each day. And today's big word is drone. As soon as I say drone, most people start thinking about the drone that flies. And yes, you are right, but this is not the drone that we are talking about in music today. So what is a drone in music? A drone is a harmonic or monophonic sound that's played throughout the musical piece as a background to the main melody. We all wonder, why would anyone want to have the same sound as a background to any music? And some may even think the kind of music that's made using a drone should be boring. To think that way, you couldn't be further from reality. In real life, using of drone in music is found in all of the cultures in the world. Let me give you an example of drone music in different countries. Starting with my own country, India. In the Indian classical music, you find surpeti or surmandal, which play the background sound for the musical piece. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So that was the use of drone in Indian music. Now let's look at some other countries which use drone for their style of music. In American country music, it's used in an instrument called banjo. Let's hear an example. Next, in Australian Aboriginal music, they use the didgeridoo to create the drone sound. Let's hear an example. Next, in Western classical music, the use of drone is not by using a special musical instrument for it. Let's hear an example. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.